Guys, I just woke up. This is not a base test, this is just an announcement. I was gonna go outside, right? And look the is.
Oo, dami. Bakit nila inaano?
Bruh. Like, bruh. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I can't see it. I don't know if you see that on camera, but I don't know if you can see that, but it's a big forest fire. Okay, this is our house. It's another house right there. Another YouTuber. 198,000. I got 101. Thank you for the support, guys. Next to that house is another house, and next to that other house is the forest. And holy. There's a big forest fire outside. Like, what the fuck? I am gonna put on a mask, for safety reasons. Where the fuck is my mask? This is just. I hate vlogs like this, because I didn't plan this vlog. I just wanted to make flippant content. But I am gonna put on my mask. It's literally near us. It's super near us. Show you guys. This is just for a reason.
Huwag kang lalabas.
Perfect for content. Perfect for content like this, man. Great content, man. For great content. For great flipping YouTube content. Sam. For great YouTube content, man. Just smoke. For great YouTube content. For great YouTube content, man. But it literally smells like shit, man. It literally smells like shit. Not my nose. This is. I don't know if you can see it. This is white. Perfect content, man. Perfect content. Yeah, I'm gonna go inside. This smells like ash, man. It smells like ash, wood's on fire, and just straight up crap. Yeah, it just smells like crap, man. I kind of hate. It smells like. Can I curse here? It smells like I'm just gonna it smells like So yeah, that's just a vlog, maybe. Vlog number 4, vlog number 4 or 3. Vlog number 3. Vlog number 3 and vlog number 4. I don't know. Probably 4. So end the video. How much smoke is that? Like, it's super close to us, man. Like, super close. Hopefully no one gets hurt. So yeah, end the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe and share. Probably on Facebook. I can allow you to share everything, even on TikTok. I don't have a TikTok account anymore, so yeah, that's the end of the video. It's just like a vlog that I can make out of flipping content. So yeah, peace out, dudes, and sorry for wasting 4 minutes of your time.